Hello, this is AJ. Welcome to the Point of View stories for No Failure. Let's begin. Watt has always wanted to build his own motorcycle. For a long time, since he was quite young. So since he was very, very young, he has wanted to build his own motorcycle. And he has thought about it constantly. Each day for a long time. He's thought about it and he has thought about it. In fact, he has tried and tried and tried again. He has tried many times to build his own motorcycle. Now, the first time he tried, the motorcycle exploded. Boom! And after that happened, he beat himself up about it. He criticized himself and he said, "What? Damn it, you're so damn stupid, you failure!" And he beat himself up. But of course, he has tried and tried and tried again. And so the next time he tried, he dropped his tools, he fumbled around, he made a lot of mistakes, and the next bike, the second bike, would not start. However, that time, after the second bike, he got something out of it. He learned something. And he thought. And he learned. And then he tried again. He tried 108 more times. And finally, after the 110th time, he said, "I get it! I get it! I know how to do it!" He learned. He understood. And then finally, he built a big, fast, red and black Harley-Davidson motorcycle. And he cruised along the street. Vroom, vroom, vroom. He cruised along the street every day with a big, huge smile on his face. He was really happy. Okay, next, let's go into the future. 50 years from now, there will be a guy named Watt. Watt will want to build his own motorcycle. Now, he'll try. And the first time he tries, the bike will explode. Boom! It's going to explode. And after it explodes, he'll beat himself up about it. He'll say, "What? Damn it, you're so damn stupid. You're a failure." He'll really beat himself up about it. But he'll try again. And the next time, and he's going to drop his tools and he'll fumble around and he'll make a lot of mistakes. And the second bike won't start. It won't start. But the second time, he won't beat himself up about it. He won't. No, he'll get something out of it. He'll learn. He'll learn and he'll try again. He'll try 108 more times. Until finally one day he'll say, "I get it! I know how to do it!" And then he's gonna build a big, fast, red and black Harley-Davidson motorcycle. And he'll cruise along the street every day. Vroom, vroom, vroom. With a big, huge smile on his face. He'll be very, very happy. And that is the end of our Point of View stories for No Failure. I hope you're very happy too. I hope you're always happy and strong and smiling and breathing deeply with strong physiology every time you listen to my lessons. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.